Hi all, this is Andrew from Buttercup Beads. I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial about just these cute little holiday earrings. If you're taking this at Boulder Woods, you're going to have a really fun weekend coming up where you can make these cute little earrings. The Christmas tree. You have multiple styles and colors, the little angels and the little snowmen here. So they're all built pretty much the same way. This is a newer style that you could just, if you add a little bit of the gold daisy spacers, it just makes an elongated tree, and it makes it look like a little bit like garland, I think. So they'll be available on my website soon. I'm still putting some of those kits together. So to make an earring, like most earrings are made all the same way. So this is just going to be doing a little simple loop connector at the top, and they go together in about 5 minutes. You can make them. It's a good project for all age groups, and they make really nice little gifts. These are Swarovski crystals, and the pearls are Swarovski crystals as well. The little angels have cute little angel wings and a halo, and they come in silver, copper, and gold tone. All right, so I'm just going to demonstrate how to make one of the, this is like one of the kits you would get. Has everything you need to make in it. What you do need to have is round nose pliers, which look like this. They're rounded and tapered at the point. And these are shaping pliers, so they're going to make your loop, your little round loop. You're going to need a nipper of some kind to cut your pin to make sure that you have the right size. And you also need a chain nose plier, which looks like this. It's tapered to a point, and all jewelry tools should be flat, not ridged on the inside, to give you a good nice smooth finish. So those are the basic tools that you're going to need to make earrings. So you're going to lay your pack out and separate what you have. You're going to have two, these are called head pins. They have a little bit of a flat nail top like to them, but they're not sharp like a sewing pin. They're blunt. And then you have your various sizes of your crystals, as well as your ear hooks. Now these ear hooks are open at the in here, and that's how we're going to hang them on. So you load on your components. So we're going to do the large margarita crystal first, and then the medium, and then oh, I'm sorry, did this wrong. First we're going to put on the little cube at the bottom. It's going to look like the base of the tree. Then the large, the medium, and the small. And then for like the star, I just, because it's Christmas card, I put on a little red crystal. That's called a rondelle crystal. It's faceted, you can see. Okay, so we'll make that one. We'll quickly make this one. The base, the large, the medium, the small. These are 10, 8, and 6 millimeter margaritas, they're called. That's the shape. So it looks like a little fir tree. Okay, now you want to make all your beads, pull them down tight, and we want to use our chain nose, and we want to take it and grab it at the base. You want to bend a 90-degree angle, so I'm just going to bend it away 90 degrees. So then it will look like this. Now that's too long for a simple loop, so we want to cut that. So now I'm going to, it's about a little bit more than a 1/4 inch from the bead. So we nip that off. Now it looks like this. Now we need to make a simple loop. So to do that, I'm going to take our round nose pliers. You want to start at the very tip, and we're going to curl to the bend to make a nice even looking. So carefully, you want to make sure that it's caught there, but you can't feel it. And I'm going to readjust my pliers. I'm going to start the little curl, and then I want to keep walking it till we get to the loop. to the bend. And it's going to create a little tiny loop like that. If it gets a little off center, we want to just straighten it up with our flat nose. So that's how fast that goes. Now to hang it, we're going to take our ear wire, and I'm just going to lift up this side. You can see I moved in. It's just enough so I can get my nail under there. Watch that little ball. I'm going to keep that out of place. We're going to now drop on the charm. And then we just close, I call it the garden gate. So you just swing the gate shut. And you want to make sure that it's nice and tight and closed. And that's your little earring. And then of course you do the same for the next one. Once again, we're going to bend away with our, didn't get a manicure, I'm sorry, my nails look terrible. Bend away 90 degrees so that it's horizontal like that. Give it a nip, cut off the excess. You can bend first both of them and make sure you trim them both the same size. I should have probably done that, but I'm so used to doing. Start your round nose, and we're going to just curl, walk, walk, walk it to the center. You can make that close a little bit more. Straighten it up. Open up our another earring. Just take it and lift up. Drop your charm on and close it. And that's, there you go. That fast we have a nice little Christmas earring. These are really cute little gifts. Perfect little nod for Christmas. The little snowmen look like this, and they're just Swarovski pearls and a rondelle crystal and a cube for the top. You create them the same way. That's an iridescent pearl. The little angels are a teardrop with a little bead on the top. You could put a crystal, you could put different colors on the wings. I'm currently out of stock. I'm trying to get those, and then a little halo. And there's one other style. This one is the crystal, call him Frosty. And he's a little bit of an opaque opal type of a crystal. He's got his top hat on, and this time I use the daisy spacer as a scarf. All right, so thanks so much. Enjoy and look on the website. You'll be able to get these other styles. And it's a good time to make some little quick gifts. They're great for hostess gifts or just for your friends and family. Everybody appreciates a nice little handmade gift. All right, thanks. And if you're at Boulder Woods, who I prepared this for, really hope you have a good time. And we're hoping in the spring I can do some classes at the campground for you. All right, bye-bye now.